This is a quick guide how to configure your Monoblocc Monitor Rig. Monitors come in all shapes and sizes, so to identify what length rods you will need for your mounting use cases requires you to know the distance from your VESA holes to the respective edge of your monitor. This is a simple measuring grid to help you identify rod lengths. At the center is a Monoblocc VESA plate with two double rod sides in the horizontal orientation. From it run red lines symbolizing the direction in which you can attach mounting rods from, and that helps you measure how long rods need to be to protrude beyond the edge of your monitor. This includes angled rods at top and bottom of the VESA plate, which are typically a little harder to measure. Say you have a 27-inch monitor. It will likely be around 65 cm in width and 35 cm in height. This gives you the overall dimensions, but this is not all that needs to be considered. The VESA holes at the back of your monitor are always centered on the horizontal axis, but not always on the vertical axis. Some monitor brands place their VESA holes closer to the bottom of the back of your screen, and others place them higher, at the upper end of your screen. This greatly impacts how long the rods need to be that you will choose for any of your mounting applications. To identify your rod length needs, start by identifying the overall size of your monitor. When you get these values from your monitor brand's website, be sure to pick the values without the stand. Then you need to identify where exactly your VESA holes are located. Rarely do monitor brands publish this information, so you will need to measure this one yourself. Simply measure from the top VESA hole to the top edge of your monitor. Then you might want to measure the distance from the bottom holes to the bottom of your monitor just to be sure. This will help you identify where exactly your VESA holes are placed on the vertical axis. Of course, a different size monitor will need different length rods. Take, for example, a 49-inch super ultra-wide. Here we are talking about a wingspan of easily 120 cm. Or a 35-inch ultra-wide. As you can see, being exact about where your VESA holes are located will impact greatly how long the various rods will need to be that you want to consider using. Luckily, our starter kits set you up with quite a few options, not least because double ball heads and magic arms are extremely versatile in the length they can bridge. Use our measuring guide PDF. It offers you easy measuring grids for all kinds of monitors, VESA plates, and VESA plate orientations. It can be downloaded from the link in the description of this YouTube video.